A rainy day in summer. It is usually very hot in plains in North India during the summer season. So, rain is always welcome in this season. Last Sunday, as I got up early in the morning, I found the atmosphere very stiff. In reality, it had been very hot for about 1 week preceding to it. Everybody was tired of the intense heat. To my great relief, I suddenly saw a horde of dark clouds rushing in the sky. Soon the whole sky was overcast with clouds. The clouds were thundering loudly and the lightning was flashing. Within a few minutes, it began to drizzle, which soon changed into rain. At first, there were light showers. These then changed into a heavy downpour. People who had to go out on some urgent piece of work had to take umbrellas with them. But most of the people stayed indoors. It was raining cats and dogs in streets which were soon flooded with water. The raindrops were pattering against the window panes. They sounded like stones. The rain stopped in the afternoon. I came out of my house. I found many low-lying areas flooded with rainwater. Children were floating paperboards on water. The roads had become slippery. Many people slipped while walking. Some got their ankles sprained. Some houses began to leak. I went out of the town. I found the trees fresh and green. Birds were chirping with joy in them. A cool breeze was blowing. A beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. Indeed, rain was a great boon or gift from God after a spell of intense heat.